dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Baseline rolling deep, stars in the black sky. Nothing but the heartbeat and the wide open tie. My feet remember, hope my mind forgets. Peace don't rush the doorway, it arrives, it sits. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Like a single seed in a desert of stone, we need the forest, we need the tribe to keep the spirit. Your thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design. But sit with a friend and let the words flow, and watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold, leaving the stories that have already been told, clarifying the vision, clearing the mind, leaving the static and the chaos behind. You're not the mess that you think you have made. You're just a person who's a little afraid. Let's rewrite the script, let's fix the scene, and find the person that you've always been. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold. To see the victory and to see the strife, to stand in the corner and hold up the light, when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden, and no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Forever young. Forever young. In the light of truth, the world is a critic to point out the flaw, but friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens to which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I let it your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. So share your anxiety, share every fear. The frequency of trust is all that we hear. It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take. In this roots vibration, let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill. Love is the root. Master the skill. We are gardeners of the soul, planting seeds of trust, turning all the shadows into golden dust. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Oh, na, na, na. Judge and to blame, we often get lost in the shadows of shame. But the brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. You've lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me, send out a benevolent vibration. Is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Practice is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Shared absurdity is the glue that will stick when the walls of the world get too heavy and thick. Don't be a statue, don't be a ghost. Laugh with the people that you love the most. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. When the world looks at you and only sees the wrong, I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find to be the hero shows you the best and puts the critic in your head to rest. Look through the eye of kindness. See the light within. See the light, see the gold. Whoa, na 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 na. Building a bridge where there used to be a wall. Standing together so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be, safe from the storm and the raging sea. The architecture of trust, the design of the heart, mastering the skill, mastering the art. Bring me the bricks of your sorrow and your pain. We'll build a shelter from the emotional rain. No judgment in the design, no pride in the stone. In this house of love, you are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be your solid ground, your foundation and your rock. Silence is a canvas and words are the paint. I listen to the sinner and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. He's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Is an echo, a resonance of love. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Whoa, one vibration. Oh, don't just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm, we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. Starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the reflection. Love is the mirror. Take off the armor. Take off the armor. Lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of unability, Oh, 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 yeah. We walk this earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the gate, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. One soul dwelling in two bodies, practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut through the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the globe of the truth, wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Learn to be a friend, it's a work of art, it's a work of art. When you stumble and your words come out wrong, I won't judge the notes of a broken song. I'll find the meaning that you meant to say, and chase the shadows of doubt away. natural forest, it's a garden we plant with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall to build a world that is open to all. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the architecture. Love is the plan. Jah guide the builders. Silence isn't empty, it's a space